Go to your quotations. Open a quotation. Click on this Send Email button. If you are not configured your email yet, it will show like this. Otherwise, you can get this option under your profile settings. Then go to Mail Settings. Here you can see mail configuration options like Google, Microsoft, and SMTP connection. Now I am configuring Google Mail. Click on this button. Sign in to Google if you are not signed in. Then select your email. Then you can see this window. Then click on this Allow button. OK, now you can see the screen tick on the Google button, it means Google Mail is configured successfully. Now you can go to your quotations, then click on this Send Email button. Now you can see this email information. Just click on this Send button, now your quotation will go from your configured email address. Thanks for watching.